Good morning, everyone. It's Mr. Clement. I just want to show you real quick how to submit an assignment. Some of you are having trouble submitting your assignments. I think you're doing the assignment, but you're not hitting the submit button. And when we go to grade it, there's nothing there. So let's go through it real quick. So when you get into your page, you would hit assignments. Here's all your assignments. So let's look at warm-up 2, which is due this Friday. We would click on it. We would scroll down. So most of these warm-up questions are just A, B, or C, except for the last question. So you can't answer it in this box. Your response is at the bottom. This document right here is where you can go and upload it and save it as a file and submit it, or where it says My Responses. This is where you have to put your answers. So you could number 1, 2, 3, and 4. If you could print the warm-up, that would be better for you, but sometimes you don't have that option. So let's look at the first one. Where did the Treaty of Versailles take place? Well, we know the answer is C. So you could write it out, or for grading purposes, you could just put C. Now, once you give me an answer, you hit Save Changes. All right. So let's say it was the end of class and you didn't get finished, or you needed to come back. All right. So we're out of class, but now it's the next day and we want to go back in to do the next warm-up. We would click on warm-up 2. Oh, look, your answer is still there. So you must hit Save Changes. All right. Let's do this. Let's say you didn't want to number 1, 2, 3, and 4, and you scrolled up and you just copied and pasted the questions, or any assignment, or any questions we put there. So you copy, scroll down, and then you paste it in the box. Let's try that. Let's see if we can type in now. So what are tariffs? Tariffs are taxes. So we put C. So there we can type in the box. What was the first one? Where did the treaty take place? C. Paris, France. The Great Depression was a deep worldwide economic slump. So we could put C. All right? And then we did water tariffs. Those are taxes. A good way to remember that is they both start with the letter D. And then who became the leader of Germany in 1933, and what party did he represent? His name was Adolf Hitler and the Nazi Party. So now you have all of your answers. You want to go back up and be sure. Let's scroll up. We've got to hit Save Changes. So we hit Save Changes. We're all set now, right? But there's one last thing. We have to submit to the teacher. Are you sure you want to submit the assignment? And you hit Submit, and the assignment is there. Now, let me show you what I see on my end. Just give me 1 second to pull it up. Computer's slow this morning. So I'm going to sign in. My screen's a little bit different from yours. Make sure every day if we get a new assignment that you go to the class board and look and see what we're doing. There's usually a video that will help you through the lesson. All right, so here's second period for me. So all I have to do is scroll down to assignments. All right, so I'm going to warm up 2. Look, Travis Clement, Mr. Clement, it's ready to score. So I click on it. I don't see answers here, right? Because that's the instructions. But if I scroll down, there are the answers in the student response. All right, guys? So if you need to watch this a couple of times, that's fine. So I would eventually give you a grade. Oh, Mr. Clement, that's 100. And I might leave you a message. Sometimes I may not. And then I hit grade assignment, and it goes back to you. And it shows right here that Mr. Clement got 100 out of 100. All right? So I hope this makes it a little bit easier for you. I hope you have a great weekend, and I'll see you Monday.